Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable iCloud Photos sync and optimize iPhone storage, complete guide step by step. To begin, unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on your name at the top of the screen. Select iCloud from the list of options. Next, tap on Photos. Find the option labeled iCloud Photos and toggle it on. This will start uploading your photos and videos to iCloud. Now, return to the Photos Settings menu. Look for the Optimize iPhone Storage option. Select this option to enable it. This feature allows your iPhone to manage storage space effectively. When your device is low on storage, it will replace full-resolution photos with smaller versions. These smaller versions will still look good on your device. Full-resolution photos remain safely stored in iCloud. You can access them anytime by tapping on the smaller versions. Make sure you have enough iCloud storage to accommodate your photo library. If necessary, consider upgrading your iCloud storage plan. After enabling these features, your photos will sync efficiently across devices. You can now enjoy both optimized storage and seamless access to your photo library. That's how to enable iCloud Photos sync and optimize iPhone storage. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.